What's up guys, in this video we're going to cover how you can decrease the price perception of your visitors, so when they want to buy that product, that price that you have on your product page, it just feels a little bit less expensive. And if it feels in their eyes, in their minds that it's a little bit less expensive, more of them will actually place the order and you get to increase your conversion rate. So we're going to cover 3 techniques that the best brands are utilizing in order to make their prices feel less expensive. So by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what are these techniques and test any of these on your store to see if they make the difference for your conversion rate and your bottom line. The first thing that we have here and the first example that we have here is how the most successful stores are breaking their prices in the price per day. So let's cover how it looks and how it is decreasing that price perception of your visitors. So in this example, we have this brand Manakura, which is selling some nice healthy honey, right? So in this example, you can see when we are on this product page and we scroll just a little bit down, you can see right beside the price, we have this which says just $3.55 per day. So how does this actually help you decrease that price perception? So when you show that how much your products actually cost your customers per day, what you're doing now essentially is that you're making them compare the price of your product with the regular cost of the goods or anything in their life that they're spending, for example, the Starbucks coffee or something like that. And when they now compare the price of your product per day with other products, they start understanding that your product is actually not that expensive. So for example, if the Starbucks coffee costs $5 per day and this product, which is healthy, which is bringing you a better immunity, which is bringing you a natural energy and all these things, it just costs less than the Starbucks coffee. Now in their brain, that price is kind of alleviated, and for that reason, more people will feel that this product is not that expensive. It's highly beneficial compared to all these other things that I'm spending daily, which makes them place the order because now that price perception is just way lower. This is a very good technique for the CPG brands because their visitors are basically using the product daily, and for that reason, when you break down that price into the daily price, it just makes much more sense and it's just way less than if they were looking just at this price without this label on the right. So very important thing, if you can break it down per day, it could make a huge difference for your visitors to break down that and make it easier for them to place the order because now they're going to see how much benefit they're going to get for the what cost per day. Now the next thing that we have here is from this brand, and this is how they are using the old school technique of the price anchoring. So what is the price anchoring technique? Let's cover on their store. So in this example, we have this apparel brand, and let's see how they're utilizing the price anchoring technique. So you land on their most important collections page, which goes from the home page. You get from the home page to this page. And then when you are on this collection page, this is the first product. Let's check in on the mobile because most of their visitors are on the mobile. So when you're on this landing page, you can see the first price and the first product that you see is this product, which costs $105. But right after this product, all the next products that you're going to see are at a way lower price than the first product that they're looking at. So now the next product costs $36, then this one is $23, then $43, then $29, $49. You can see you cannot find any product that is once again at $100 price, which is showing you that they're utilizing that price anchoring technique. And the price anchoring technique works like this. First, you are showing your expensive products. So now they see the product that costs $100, and all the next products that they're going to see, which are maybe your best sellers, are just at a way lower price than this product. So now you can position this price as the first price and their anchor is at the top at $100, and every price that they see after that one is just going to be perceived as a way lower price than the first price that they have saw. This is a very powerful thing, and it could be that this second product is actually their best selling product, and this is how they're actually maximizing the sale of this second product because now the price perception of this product is just way lower because of that price anchoring technique. So if you have more SQS and you have some products that you can play around with when it comes to the price anchoring technique, I highly suggest you to test it out, especially on your collections pages, because this is where you can make that work. Another thing you can do is that you can place one expensive product here on the left side, then the next expensive product is here. So then this product, which is in the middle, is just positioned as the low price product, and you just want to nudge your customers to get to buy this product, which is your most important product, your hero product on your Shopify store. And by the way, if you'd like me to audit your store and to give you ideas on where you can improve and what techniques you can apply in order to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line, you can fulfill the form in the link in the description and I will give you a personalized audit for your specific case. Now, the third thing that we have here that is helping Shopify stores reduce that price perception is the good old method of making the pay in installments feature. So having the pay in installments feature helps a lot with that thing. So let's cover how the best brands are doing this. In this example, we have the Casper, which is selling pretty high ticket product. It's a product that costs about $1,000. And you can see just below this price, what you have here is that you can see that you can pay it in more installments of $70 per month. Now you can imagine if your customers don't have to pay all at once 1.3K at the upfront, it's just much more easier for them to pay it more installments in the monthly fee, because now they know that they can just pay for $70 per month and pay out this thing. And this is largely helping them with that price perception, because paying it all at once is just way more expensive and it's just way more painful for their wallet compared to paying it in more installments. And another thing you can take from this is that when you have this in installments feature, you always want to make sure that it's positioned somewhere near their price, because now when they see the price, you can immediately show them that they can pay it in more installments, and therefore more people will feel more relaxed on placing the order and more of them will actually place it. Another thing where you can place this, let's see if they're doing this, is probably in their cart drawer. So let's check out their cart page. So in the cart page, you can see just below the checkout, once again, they're constantly repeating that the customer can pay it in more installments, which is just alleviating that pain and making more of their customers place the order so they boost their bottom line. To see how you can implement these techniques, test them out on your store. It could be that they make the difference for your conversion rate and your bottom line. And if you'd like me to review your funnel and to give you ideas on what are the next things you can do to boost your conversion rate, your bottom line, just fulfill the form down in the link in the description and I will give you a personalized audit specific for your Shopify store. If you like this video, you can as well check out this next playlist in which I break down these successful stores and what they're doing in order to maximize their conversion rate. So you might take some of their strategies and techniques and test on your store in order to boost your conversion rate and your bottom line.